how you can install Genshin Impact on your laptop or PC. So let's get this party started. Firstly, let's go to browser and search for Genshin Impact for PC. You can see Whoever's and Home. Simply tap on the option and you will be guided to this Genshin Impact's home page, and here you can see different platforms to download Genshin Impact. For now, I'm gonna go with Windows because I obviously do have Windows. And you can see the installer is already downloaded. Now I just got to click on the file and the file will open now and a dialog box will appear here. Just make sure to check mark on the terms and condition and click on install now. And after that, click on Get Game. It requires 57 gigabytes on your storage, so make sure that you have enough storage on your drive and you can enjoy the game from now on. So this is how you install Genshin Impact on PC, and if you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.